Today is the day that we are celebrating our. To me, I don't say pastor. I call him my prophet.
Amen.
Me calling him my prophet, it is because he prophesied most of the things in my life and they come to pass.
Amen.
Being born of a woman and having the strength that our pastor our prophet is able, it's not easy. I'm sure most of the people, when they look at us, they say, how can they go to a church of such a small person? But forgetting that dynamites come in small packages. Our prophet grew up in front of my eyes.
Yes.
Hallelujah. Our prophet grew up as not knowing that one day we will be here serving with him because he's moving with God.
Amen.
Being a prophet, I know it's not easy. I know it is a difficult road that you have chosen. But with the changes that you made amongst us, I'm very proud of you.
Amen.
I can say that with my eyes closed. When you go to the books of Genesis 28 verse 18, it says, by means of your offspring, all nations of the earth will obtain a blessing for themselves because you have listened to God's voice.
Amen.